well built. I got the box this morning and I stripped it down just now, and sadly it's knackered. It is a total uneconomic repair. Let's start with this main shaft here, the selector shaft. Although the seal here can polish up, the surface here can polish up, this ball thing, this is a bearing in here, that's solid as a rock. It's had water in it. Water, I think it was using a British submarine. Bells, look at that in there. The worst part about it is the worm here. Oops. You can see the bearing on there. Well, the bad thing about these is that this is the bearing race here. Although you can buy bearings and the other side race, this is all pitted to hell. We can't do anything with that. But even if it wasn't pitted, this is a valve inside here. There's a shaft inside a shaft, and this is the control shaft. It's the selector. No, not the selector anyway. It's a control shaft that when you turn the steering wheel, it opens the valves. Well, you can see there's nothing even left of them here. There's supposed to be some... oh, there they are, look. Those are the seals. So when you turn a little bit left, it opens them up until there's pressure in the box, and then once the pressure's balanced, it goes back again. So unfortunately, there's nothing I can do with that. It's dead. It's an ex-steering box. The thing about it is, I think from Land Rover, these bits here, just this bit here, about 700 quid. And being a left-hand drive, there ain't that many about. So we'll have to see what we can do for that one. See you later.